Okay, so the actual internal microphones of the Insta360 Go3 are actually surprisingly good, and that's the microphones that you're listening to right now. So there may actually be you may find there's not actually a need to improve the quality of the microphones anyway. You might be perfectly happy with it. But if you are wanting to improve the quality, then I'm going to give you through some options that we can use to improve the audio quality. Okay, so as we can't physically connect any external microphone to the camera via Bluetooth or physically connecting, then we have to look at microphones that give us the ability to record externally, and then we're going to have to synchronize the audio later in sort of post-production with the video file. So of course it's always important to make sure that there's audio being recorded on the Insta360 Go3 to make our lives easier when we come to synchronize the video much later. Alright, so I'm now going to give you some options that you could do in various budgets as an external audio source. Okay, so the first option available to us, of course, is just to use the microphone on our mobile phones. Now, this is probably going to still be higher quality than the microphones on the Insta360. So we can just do a recording directly into the microphone like this on the phone, and use this as an audio source, and then later we can just synchronize it to the footage coming out of the Go3. So you might not want to have your smartphone anywhere near your face or while you're doing the audio recording because you don't want to actually in the footage. So what you can do is you get yourself a little lavalier microphone such as this, and they're widely available from maybe sort of £10 or £20 or something like that, and you can then plug that into your the USB socket on your phone. And I've got a video that shows you how to do that. Just follow the link above in the description. And this is going to then allow you to have a much more professional setup because you've just got a little lavalier microphone attached to you. So let me just connect that up and we can do an audio comparison. Okay, so I've now got the lavalier microphone connected to me. So this is the sound of the recording of the lavalier microphone going directly to the smartphone or the iPhone I have just in my pocket. So this could be a possible solution to do sort of effectively wireless microphones, because it gives me the ability to walk away from the camera like this, and I can still pick up pretty good quality audio. Okay, so another option available to us is to use an external wireless microphone such as this one from Hollyland, which actually has some inbuilt storage to allows us to record directly onto the wireless microphone itself. So effectively it acts as a little portable recorder, which is pretty good. So I'm just going to connect up, and we're just going to get the quality of this in comparison to the internal microphones. Okay, so I now have the Hollyland connected directly to me. So this is the sound of the Hollyland Max wireless microphone attached to me compared to the audio of the Insta360 Go3 internal microphone. So I'm just going to switch backwards and forwards between the two microphones so you can see the difference between using a wireless solution and the internal microphone of the Insta360 Go3. Okay, so pretty much all the wireless microphones that I'm going to be showing you in this video have the ability to connect a lavalier microphone directly to the receiver here. Not the receiver, the transmitter, should I say. So rather than having the transmitter on you in shot and using the microphone on that, you can use the microphone on the lavalier. And of course you can now put this in your pocket like so, and it's going to look much nicer to use something like this rather than having the wireless microphone directly on you. Okay, of course, now if you have the lavalier microphone, you can pretty much hide the wires underneath your clothes, and it also gives you the ability to have a lot more freedom to walk around or to move backwards away from the camera while you're speaking. So this is actually a very good solution, I think, in addition to using one with a smartphone. Okay, so this is another very popular solution for YouTubers, and this is the DJI Mic 1. It's been used for a number of years, very successful. My bag fell over, scared the hell out of me. Thought I was being attacked by a monster there. So here's another solution that's very popular for YouTubers, and that is the DJI Mic 1, and it's very popular for a number of reasons due to its very high quality microphone, and also of course it's on-built storage as well. So let's just do a quick test of that and see how that compares to the internal microphones. Okay, so this is the sound of the DJI Mic 1 in comparison to the internal microphones, and I'm just going to of course, as before, swap between the audio sources so you can hear the difference. So once again, this microphone has inbuilt storage, so you can record directly onto the device itself, which is very good, and gives you the complete freedom in movement. And of course, just like the HoloLens, you can also connect a lavalier microphone as well if you're not a fan of having the microphone direct attached to you like so. So now of course I've got the lavalier microphone connected directly to the DJI Mic 1. So just like the HoloLens previously, this gives me complete freedom of movement to walk around and not be attached effectively to the camera. Okay, so the next option available to you is to use a dedicated audio recorder, such as this one from Tascam, which is a Tascam DR10L. And so this takes a external storage card, so of course you can just put in whatever storage amount you want, and you're going to get like hours and days, or probably days, of a high quality digital recording. So just like the wireless recorders, this guy is very, very light, it's very small as you can see, and you can just clip it onto your belt or just put it into your pocket, and you're going to get very good quality audio recording. So of course it gives you the ability to step back as far as you want, just with a lavalier microphone connected to it. And so this is a very good solution, and I personally use this, including also wireless microphones when I do my videos as well. Okay, here's another microphone I recommend, which is another possible solution for you, and this is the brand new DJI Mic 2, which is the upgraded version obviously of the DJI Mic 1. So this wireless microphone, I think it retails for around about £90 or something like that. And the ability is it has built-in noise reduction, which the DJI Mic 1 doesn't have, which is pretty good. And of course, other than that, it's also got built-in storage, just like the Mic 1. But at the end, the audio quality, you can see whether it's any an improvement. Should be an improvement over the Mic 1, or at least pretty similar. So here's another possible solution. So of course, as always, you can put a lavalier microphone directly into this guy as well. So there you go. That's another solution. Okay, so here's the sound of the DJI Mic 2 with a wireless microphone in comparison to the internal microphones of the Insta360 Go3 and also the DJI Mic 2 without a lavalier microphone. How does this sound? Okay guys, well that was a number of solutions you can do to improve the audio quality of the Insta360 Go3. As I said, the internal microphones are, I think, more than adequate anyway. Well, they are at a reasonable distance. Obviously, if you go further back, they're going to not be so good. And that's where you have to have a better audio solution. So I've presented to you a number of audio solutions ranging from just using your smartphone, which is one solution, and then you can tie it up with a lavalier microphone to get a little bit more professional look. And as your budget increases, you of course can start to spend a little bit more money on a wireless microphone, such as the recommended HoloLens Lark Max. That's a very good microphone, and so is the DJI Mic 1 and the DJI Mic 2. I'm sure also the Rode microphone is also very good, but I don't actually have that one, so I can't do a comparison of that, unfortunately. Okay guys, hope that video is useful, and of course let me know if you've got any questions in the comments below, and of course don't forget to give the video a good thumbs up as always, and of course if I could trouble you for a subscribe as well, then every single subscriber makes a huge difference to the future of this channel, so I really appreciate it guys. So take care and see you soon.